Hello everyone, this is Feb for Bicolana On The Go. At today po, kikilalanin natin ang isa sa mga promising host ng Camarines Norte. He is a talent of ALM, Talents and Events Management, and a service awardee during his time. Let's meet and let's greet Mr. Kyle Bordonada. Hello!
Hello, Ma'am Pebs.
Kumusta ka?
Sobrang okay and very successful.
Very successful.
Yeah.
That's good to hear.
Kasi ano yung pag tinatanong, kumusta ka? Ito, okay lang.
Okay
Diba? Parang
lang.
common response.
Yes.
Pero pag sinabi mo, you affirmedly talaga.
Successful
I'm
ka.
successful. And
Oo.
you will be. Diba?
Yes, tama yun.
Yes.
Parang na-attract mo yung positivity, di ba?
True. Hindi lang na-attract, kumbaga nagbibigay ka rin.
Yes.
Yan ang sinasabi ko palagi sa mga nakakasalamuha ko, di ba? So it depends.
You blessed others din.
Yes.
At congratulations pala ha, because you're awarded by the PYDO,
Yes.
which is the Provincial...
The Provincial Youth Development Office, yan na, the Provincial Government of Camarines Norte as the most outstanding youth of the province.
Wow, outstanding youth of the province.
Yes, thank you
Grabe,
po.
Kyle.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako
Hindi
nakakapa...
mo sink in?
Yeah. Actually, nung sabi sa akin sa result, ayoko talagang buksan.
Oo.
Kasi ang gagaling nung kalaban ko. Kasi, syempre, buong Camarines Norte yan. Eh, nag-start ako sa school, tapos bigla akong lumabas sa